Hi guys, I'm here today to show you this 3-bedroom terrace property over on Kennedy Road in Salford. So as you head into the property, downstairs you'll find 2 reception rooms and a large kitchen to the rear. Really modern downstairs, really good space throughout. So to the front here, we've got the first reception room with the bay window. Really good space, fitted fireplace there. Loads of natural light flooding through that window. And as you head onto the back, we've got the second reception room, used as a dining area at the moment. Again, really bright with the big window at the back. Really good family and entertaining space in here. Understairs storage to the right, and 3 to the large kitchen. Fitted appliances in here, dishwasher, hob and oven. Space for a large fridge freezer and even more workspace at the back. Heading out to the rear, I've got a little garden space. Little seating area out the back. Does get the sun. And as we head on upstairs, you'll find 3 generously sized bedrooms and a modern 3-piece bathroom. This would be an ideal first home or an investment with the location it's in, close to all the transport links and amenities. So to the rear, we've got the smallest of the 3, which is still a really good sized 3rd bedroom. Does have wardrobes in at the moment, taking up quite a bit of space. And then 3 to the right, we have the modern 3-piece bathroom. Done to a really high standard in here. Got a large bath, fitted toilet and sink. 3 to the second bedroom, which is a really good sized double. Again, does have quite a lot of furniture in here and there is still plenty of space around. Nice and bright with that big window. And then 3 to the master bedroom at the front, which does also have the fitted wardrobes. 2 windows there for extra light. Really good space in here. Properties like this don't stick around long, so if you'd like a viewing, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in.